Today's video is how to change your password. For whatever reason, if you need to change your password for security purposes, and it's often good practice to change your password every month or so, I'm going to show you how to do that. So up in the top right corner of Kalysys, you've got the settings or the cog tab. You want to go to user settings, and under this left-hand panel, you want to click change password. You want to go and put in your old password into here, and then you can obviously put in your new password. Okay, and we can show it there. As you can see, it's not very strong, and we've got a little password strength over here that will help you, whereas if we were to type in something like, you can see the strength is quite good there. And then how you want to do it, you can copy and paste it that way. And then obviously you just click the reset password, and that will go and reset your password for the future. I won't do that, but that's how you change your password. Thank you very much. Bye.